back with another unboxing. But first I'd like to talk to you about this beautiful blouse I'm wearing. I got the fabric from Cali Fabrics in California. And I decided to make this blouse with it. Butterick 7002. And it was actually pretty easy. I love statement sleeves. There's 3 pleats here, a top, a middle, a top, and a bottom in the back. So yes, I am working slowly through my stash, but when I find something good on sale, I gotta go for it. So this is from So Weird. You've seen me shop there before. And let me open it. I usually get a big bundle round thing, so this is unusual to get a box. But let me see what she put in here. Sometimes I really don't remember what she sends me. So, give me a moment to muddle through this. I don't want to cut the fabric, so be patient. Oh my goodness, it's really hard. There we go, I heard it pop. Okay, so here we go. Thought I had it. It's like giving birth here. It's almost out. There we go. Okay. So on top we have this beautiful floral, tiny floral DPD, double brush poly. And it is so soft, so beautiful. It's kind of thin and stretchy all the way around. But I'd like to make a dress with this. I've got 3 yards, so I'm pretty sure I can make a dress. Don't have a pattern picked out for it yet, but I'm sure I have many. So I will go look through my pattern stash and find a dress. Here's the fabric she sends me, little snippets. And oh, I got some more stickers. So Weird, and a little whatever that is. My granddaughter loves these. So I'll put these over here to look at later. This, oh, and I got a little fuzz ball to, like, you sew the top, this part to the top of your hat, and then you snap this on, and then you can move it to whatever hat you like. But it's a little foosball for your top of your hat. So my husband might be getting that one. I'm not sure. We'll see. I have these beautiful waffle knits, and it's that time of year, sewing for the winter. I think I have more of the, let's see, more of the red, there we go, the burgundy. So I think I'm going to do this kind of goes, there's like a little burgundy in there somewhere, kind of a blend. I think I'm going to make a long cardigan to go with this, long sleeve, long cardigan to cover that up. And then this, I actually know what I'm making with this, beautiful green, which is my favorite color. I have this pattern that I haven't tried yet from Styla Patterns. It's called the Belmont. It's just a V-neck, a little crossover, and soft knit top. So I wanted to give that a try. Their patterns are wonderful, easy to make. And again, this has wonderful stretch and recovery. Very soft. So that's from So Weird. She has it in stock now as of October something 2024. But go get there, go shop at So Weird. You can get all these fabrics and a little poofy thing for your hat, and enjoy shopping as much as I do, and unboxing if you want to do so too. Invite me, sign me up, show me what you got, and show me what you got. Thank you, and as always, oh, say hi to Kay. Kay's like, what's going on? Here, want a fuzzy? Take care, and as always, bye for now.